So I thought I'd do a few more K-map examples for you. So in this example, I've gone ahead and taken my truth table or expression and transferred it into a 4-variable K-map, and now I'd like to make groupings to do my simplification. So let's look at the groupings here. I don't have any 8s. I don't have any isolated or any 16 either. But there are a lot of variations of 4 here. So I'm going to use a couple of different colored pens then to show you maybe how some of that works. So here's a group of 4 that I see immediately. Now this is a group of 4 here, or it's a group of 2 there. So if to get it in a group of 4, to get the greater simplification, we have to overlap the 4s, we will. We wouldn't overlap them if they were both already in groups of 4. So then here's another group of 4. And now here is yet another group of 4. So let's look at what some of these terms are. This term, for instance, is not A, B, because C and D change as I move through here. This term is CD, because as I move here, both A and B change. This term is going to be D, because as I move from here to here, C changes. And not A, because as I move from here to here, B changes. So not A, D. Alright, and then I still have some other terms I haven't taken care of yet. So let's go ahead and get them into groups. So I'll make a group here and a group here. And so now I have, for this group, I have B, C, not D. And for this group I have B, not C, not D. Okay? So as I write that expression, it would look like this. Not AD, or CD, or not AB, or B, not C, not D, or B, C, not D. As I look at this, I think these are very simple terms, but there seems to be something very much in common about here, and I have to ask myself, did I make a mistake? Alright, so let's look and see. I have B, not C, not D, and B, C, D, not D. Just thinking about my Boolean, I could factor out B, not D out of that term, and I would get not C or C. And not C or C is always 1, right? So that would make that term B or not D. So since there was a further simplification, there's something wrong with my K-map. So as I look at this, and you may have seen it initially, and I kind of did it intentionally, remember that the K-map wraps around this way. So you can roll it up that way, or you could roll it up this way, and they're in contact, which means that this is a group of 4 with this piece, which if we look at it that way, we get rid of these terms, right? Now that group will become what? Not D and B. So in fact, the expression is not AD or CD or not AB or B, not D. So I hope that helps you, and I hope you can feel a little more comfortable with K-maps.